Language is a complex thing, and words play a key role in it. Traditionally, grammar has divided words into different categories: nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, and so on. However, there is an argument in linguistic circles that all words are, in effect, nouns. This argument is based on the notion that nouns are fundamentally labels for things, whether they're things, ideas, or actions, and that all words, when stripped to their most basic function, act as labels for actions or events. At the heart of this argument is the definition of a noun. A noun is commonly understood to be a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. But if we consider this definition more broadly, then it can be extended to encompass all parts of speech. For instance, verbs, which are defined as words that describe actions or states, can be reinterpreted as nouns that label specific actions. The verb run is the name we have given to the action of running, and therefore is a noun in a sense. In this way, verbs merely serve as labels for our doings, making them nouns. Adjectives and adverbs can also be understood as nouns when viewed through a similar lens. An adjective like happy is traditionally used to describe the state of a noun, but one could argue that happiness is merely the name we've given to the feeling of being happy, which would then make it a noun. Similarly, adverbs, which describe how actions are performed, can be seen as nouns because they represent abstract qualities or characteristics. For instance, in the sentence, he sings beautifully, the adverb beautifully could be interpreted as a name for the quality of the singing, thereby functioning almost exactly like a noun. Furthermore, even prepositions and conjunctions, typically seen as connectors between other parts of speech, can be understood as nouns in their own right. Prepositions like in or on can be thought of as names of locations. On is simply the name we've given to a specific kind of positioning, which technically makes it a noun. Conjunctions like and or but also name the relationships between matters, thus functioning as names for abstract ideas. The argument that all words are nouns can also be supported by the way language is often used in informal or non standard contexts. In casual speech, it is not uncommon for words from other grammatical categories to function as nouns. For example, someone might say, "Let's do some adulting today," where adulting, derived from the verb adult, becomes a noun representing the act of behaving like an adult. This fluidity of language demonstrates how words naturally gravitate towards functioning as labels for things, reinforcing the idea that all words are, at their core, nouns. So while traditional grammar assigns words to distinct categories based on their function, there's a strong case to be made that all words are, in a sense, nouns. Whether we're naming tangible objects, describing actions, or labeling abstract concepts, every word serves as a label for something. From this perspective, the boundaries between parts of speech blur, and all words become, in a sense, nouns. This view challenges the conventional understanding of grammar, but it offers a thought provoking exploration of the nature of language itself.